tribe, what is up, and welcome back to the Juvia's Place YouTube channel. My name is Sophia Kelly, and today I will be walking you through the brand new holiday collection. So with this holiday collection, we have been blessed with two sets. We have the Nubian Glow, and in this palette we have a very warm toned eyeshadow palette. We have one pressed glitter, two matte shadows, two metallic eyeshadows, and one duochromatic eyeshadow. This set also includes two nourishing lip balms in the flavors mango and guava. And then we also have the Nubian Royal. So in this set, we have a purple themed eyeshadow palette that consists of three matte shadows, one glitter shadow, a pearl metallic eyeshadow, and one purple duochrome eyeshadow. This set also does include two nourishing lip balms that come in caramel and berries. So I'm really excited to put a look together using both of these palettes. I'll be taking this light purple shade. So to start things off, I'll be placing the shade in my crease. Do we see that pigment? Yes, Juvia's Place. This color payout is like no other. Also, I'm not receiving a lot of fallout from this shadow so far. Everything is going really well. It's blending out like butter, as you can see. I'm not having any issues. It is not oxidizing. We are a match made in heaven right now. Next, I'll be taking this electric violet shade, also from the Nubian Royal collection. I'm keeping this focused towards the outer region of the eye. And then once there's less product on my brush, I'm gonna bring this inward. Again, we are not getting any fallout. I'm also adding this electric violet shade down here on the lower lash line. So I'm really loving where this is. The shadows are so vibrant. They're very pigmented, buttery. They're blending amazingly. To continue with this look, we are gonna have a cut crease moment. I mean, come on, it is only right. Switching things up just a little bit, we are diving into the Nubian Glow palette to finish up this look. The first shade I'm taking is this golden yellow. I'm gonna pack this right in my inner corner. When I tell you, this is probably the perfect shade of golden yellow. Like this is golden hour in an eyeshadow. I'm dipping into this duochromatic eyeshadow, so I'm packing the shade right in the center. Yeah, center of attention right here. This is stunning. It's only right to add an inner corner highlight. So I'm taking this metallic shade here that's like a light goldish. We're gonna pop that right in the inner corner. Let me just say that these metallic shadows are performing so well without having to wet my brush or anything. Like they're popping, they're out here. This look is so cute. That is pretty much it, you know, eyeliner, lashes, and we're ready to go. So here we have the completed eyes, just looking absolutely stunning. So to finish up the rest of this look, I am gonna do some lip application. I'm gonna go in with the Luxe lip liner in the shade Scorpio. Honestly, I really love the consistency of these lip pencils. So I'm gonna be topping my lips with the Nubian lip balm from the Royal collection, and this is the shade Berry. It does offer a sheer tint while also really nourishing the lips. So we are going in here. It feels really great on the lips. You could obviously pair this without the lip liner for a more natural effect, and you'll still have like that slight berry tint, but you know, you can also pair it with a lip liner and you know. So here we have the finished look, and I have to say I'm so happy with the way everything turned out. The products, you guys, I'm talking about quality. We have pigment, the way it blends out. There was no oxidizing of the eyeshadows. The metallic shadows performed without needing assistance. That is what I am talking about. These sets are gonna be perfect for the holidays to gift to friends and family, or even yourself. Treat yourself. This will be a great addition to your own personal collection, because these shades, as I'm looking in the palettes, I don't see any shades that have been repeated in their previous palettes, which is always great. We want to be adding new shades to our collection, so this is awesome. The lip product does feel really nice on my lips, so we are, you know, self-care and looking good at the same time. But I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on these sets so you yourself can experience how amazing it was to use these products and just come up with fun and creative looks. But that is all for now, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you beautiful and amazing people soon. Bye, tribe!